Hello, hello. I'm just doing a craft along with the April subscription kit. Happy Day. The links for that are down below, but you can also just use this with any kind of file folder. Because sometimes, to me, I love the look of a file folder, but sometimes I wonder, what can I do with this? What can I put in it? How should I use it? Should I use it as a flip down? Should I use it as a pocket? Or even a tuck back behind. So anyway, I just was gonna make one and share some fun ideas that you might enjoy. So let's get going. For this one, I wanted it to be one that I actually glue in the journal, and it's just a fold down where we're gonna put some little tucks in here. So it'll just be a fun hidden little space. So in the kit, there are these fun pockets. They have the faux little brads on the corners. And I thought it would be really fun to create a flip with this, instead of using it as a pocket, to create a flip. Because it is hard to tuck things in there because it will then stick out over the side of that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to fold this over so it's going to become like a little hinge. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue that down into the file folder. I should have opened that before. Now I'm placing it down pretty low because I don't want to see it when my file folder is closed. And I'm just centering it on there. All right, so now you have this, but you have this little problem where that's gonna pop up. So I'm going to just create a little tuck to put that under and hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some glue on this little tiny label. These are all in the kit, but you can really use anything you have. And then I'm gonna kind of put that over here. And then it can become a nice and easy kind of an anchor to hold that closed. So now you have this fun little thing that you can open up and have some extra journaling, or you can put a collage underneath there, or add a tiny pocket, which would be fun. Just kind of whatever seems fun to you. All right, the other thing I have in this kit are these long labels, and I thought this would be a great side pocket. Again, you kind of have to work with the direction of your journal and the file folders to make this work. For this one, it will work well to pull it out from this side. So that's what I'm going to create here. Just going to create that into a tuck. And it's okay if I keep that one centered. I hope. Yeah, that'll go in far enough. There we go. Let's let that glue dry. And then it's kind of fun if you want to add some little extras anywhere within here. I've got a couple little tags that I thought would be fun to add. I thought this would be fun to put up here. Well, let's see how it looks before I glue it down. I wanted to have, oh, that's cute. I wanted to have something there in the place of that label holder. So that's going to come clear up there just for decoration's sake. All right, and then we have this that will just tuck right in there. And then you have a side tuck and you have a little flip out right in your file folder. So that's something that can go straight into your journal, or I mean, you could use it in a pocket if you wanted and then pull it out and open it up. So super duper easy and really fun. If you wanted to add more on here, you could. I kind of like it is because this is so involved, this print right here, and I really just struggle to want to cover that. But it could be fun to turn it into like a, like an ID, like an ID style, where you could do this with a label here or something. You could do something like that, which would be really cute as well. So just play around with it and see if you would like to add more. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, I'm tempted to glue it. I'll think about it. But anyway, play around with some different ideas for file folders, because I know they're really fun, but sometimes they're a little trickier to work with because of the space that is inside of them. So this is just some ideas for that. Anyway, way quick, way easy, have fun, and we will talk to you later. Bye.